All right, let's take a look at today's vocabulary, and then we're going to talk about English spelling activities. So our first word for the week is the word environment. Go ahead and say that word, environment. Awesome. Environment is the natural features of a place. So we could say that here at Lowell, our environment is lots of trees and field. Okay, it's the natural features of a place. We talked about how a polar bear's environment would be lots of snow and ice and open flat space. Okay, when we're thinking of a tundra. The next word is the word shelter. Say that word, shelter. Awesome. And a shelter is something that covers or protects. If you've been to a public park, you've probably seen a picnic shelter before. This is a spot where they have lots of picnic tables that are able for you to use, but then it has a shelter above it so that it can be protected from rain or covered from the sun. Okay. Other examples of shelters are your house, okay, a cabin, a tent, or a camper if you're going camping. Animals also have shelters, right? A burrow would be an example of a shelter. That would be a place for the animal to be covered or protected. And then gurgled is our final word. Go ahead and say that word, gurgled. Yeah, that's a fun word. And it means to make a sound like a bubbling current. So think about the sound that a current makes in like a stream or a creek or a small river. That is gurgling. I'm going to play a clip for you and hopefully you can hear it on the recording. That is the sound of gurgling. All right. So the next thing I want to look at is our spelling words for the week. So we're going to start doing some spelling activities in small group and in Seesaw. And so what we're going to do on day one is I'm going to teach you the English phonics rule for the week in your small group. And I'm going to go over a list of words that follow these rules, okay? So we're just doing a review rule all together this week so that we can understand how this is going to look. So this week we're looking at the silent final E rule and words that don't follow that rule. So CVC words, which are words that have a consonant, a vowel, and then another consonant. So app, tap, the vowel is a short vowel sound, okay? Whereas CVCE rule words are words that have a silent final E and the vowel makes the long vowel sound. So this is ape, tape, silent final E, right? So words that would go for silent final E, let's do that since we just talked about it. I'm, oat, plain, ale, ute, pine, made, tube, and cube. Okay, those are all words that follow the silent final E rule. All of the vowels make the long vowel sound. Then we've got the short vowel sounds over here that are in words that are consonant, vowel, consonant. So we've got the word tub, dim, cut, pin, knot, cub, mad, plan, and pal. Okay, we're going to be working with this list of words more this week as the week goes on. But now you can see what the rule is and where these words fall into which rule. Okay. All right. So that's it for today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.